Yo, what's up? What's good? It's your boy Yashi, and we're back at it again with another art challenge. So in the meantime, I don't really want to waste anyone's time, so I might as well just get right into it. Judging from the thumbnail, you most likely clicked on this video to see me draw Nobara Kugisaki from Jujutsu Kaisen, and I really love that show, so I might as well just draw a bunch of those characters until someone in the comments recommends something, which I highly advise you do. That'll be super sick. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So sit back, relax, and we're just gonna get right into it. This is Nobara Kugisaki in 5 minutes. Now for the first drawing, I just decided to just go for a simple front profile view because I didn't really had enough time to just go for something crazy and bombastic and dynamic and all that stuff. I just wanted to keep it simple, you know, just kind of rush out something that somewhat resembled Nobara in a convincing way. And I think I did pretty okay. I mean, obviously it's not like the best I could have ever done because mainly it's just, you know, so short, so little time. Like, what can I possibly do in so little time? I'm not that great yet, but for what I did achieve in 5 minutes, it was okay. Like, I can pretty confidently say this is like something like great, but compared to the other drawings before it, it obviously gets better. So this is Nobara 5 minutes. I think I did pretty good. I was low-key kind of stressing out, I'm not gonna lie. No! Oh my god, I just realized what's wrong with this. Where's your eyebrows, bro? At least now I'll know to give her eyebrows next time, bro. This is Nobara Kugisaki in 15 minutes. Now for the 15-minute drawing, I started to kind of challenge myself a little bit and go for like this side up view, I guess. Side up view of Nobara to kind of just have her make it look like she's looking up at something. Probably she's gonna like, I was thinking, oh, she's gonna like fight a person and, you know, do whatever and yada yada yada. She's like this kind of steam, like I'm about to mess this person up kind of face. And I want to just capture that expression, and I think I did okay. I mean, the hair, like at this angle, is kind of like challenging. Like I didn't know where to kind of put things, and the head for me was just kind of a little too long, and I had to like just kind of start to cut that out a little bit towards the end, and we just make it look like convincing. Like that's the whole point of this. Just wanted to make it look convincing, and as little time as I had, and I started adding a little bit of details around like 14 13 minutes, and ended up with this. And I just realized most of this is most likely gonna be just the face. I could do dynamic poses, I could do that, but it's just so yeah, that was that, and now on to the next one. This is Nobara Kugisaki in 25 minutes. Now for the 25-minute section, things started to get a little interesting because I decided to, you know, look back at the past mistakes that I made from the previous drawings and just put everything I learned into the 25-minute section, which is what this is like meant for. It's like, it's kind of like learn everything that you knew from the 5 minutes to 15 minutes and just put it all into practice for the 25. And I would confidently say like this is like, I'd say this is like one of like my, probably not my best, but my best drawing like as of right now. Like, I'm really proud of this, and the fact that I was able to cram all this into 25 minutes and just really make something that I think could be better in some aspects, but for what it is and for the challenge's sake, I think I did pretty well. And here's the drawing in color, really amazing. And yeah, pretty much it. There you have it, folks. Nobara in 25 minutes. Now, just to put it back, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for the latest videos I'll be uploading, because the next one, what I would need help with is like characters you want me to like draw in this time frame. Like just put them down in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace. I'm out. I'm out this thing. I'm out the